Pasa, Billy Boy. Malay mo naman, itong susunod makapasa with flying colors.
Oo nga, tama. Colorful talaga sila kasing kulay ng kulturo ng Mindanao na dala-dala nila.
It's our first time to really just promote the culture and the arts of Mindanao, especially this tribe.
Anong gagawin niyo ba ngayon?
Gagawin namin yung saot. It's a traditional dance na nilagyan naming innovations. Inspired by Higaunon of Agusan del
So
Sur.
nice.
It's our first time to actually reach out and like perform in a big audience and stuff. To be able to reach international base and perform in the biggest stage there is all around the world.
Sige, go!
Ang sarap isipin na ang dahil pa rin tao naglalagay ng so much effort, yes, na ipagmalaki ang ating kultura.
Tama.
Grabe! Ang gaganda ng puwit nyo.
The balancing amazed me. Yung talagang nakakabilib, both the men and the women. Alam natin, di ba, na kitang-kita na years na to of practice talaga. Very, very impressive.
Kasi ang unique-unique nung ginagawa nyo. Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganyan. So, fantastic.
Pang-international nga, di ba, friends?
Yes!
So, kailangan lang yung mga boys maging, katakam-takam.
I have seen the Bayanihan dance group. Yours is very original, even the costumes, and I would say it's great, okay?
I vote yes!
You got it!
Isa lang yung music nyo, no? Kailangan may magic yan, di ba? Pero aside from that, it's really great, so I'll say yes.
See you sa next round. Congratulations.
At napabilib nyo ang buong mundo, in fairness. So anong pakiramdam nyo na pasado kayo for the next round? O sige, mag-exercise na ulit kayo. Thank you so much.
Well done, Mindanao. Keep it up.
Susunod,